Welcome to a Starlight the Clown balloon tutorial. Here's an easy one, a swan. Stretch and inflate your balloon until there's just about 2 inches of tail left. Tie it. Now, I almost never do this, but you're going to start from this end and go down about 8 to 12 inches and twist. Then tie the nozzle right into that twist. Uh-oh. My finger's stuck. Right. Now, you take this big loop that we got. I'm going to bend it in half like that. And one side just a little bit smaller than the other. And we're going to twist here. Twist them around each other. So it's going to come out looking like a bow tie. Up. Then take the smaller of the two loops, push it up through the other. This part, wedge it in there. And finally, you gotta bend it. Make sure it stays wedged. There we go, a swan. Haha.